Hi, welcome. In our lesson today, we want to treat the topic comparison and ordering of weight of objects, and we'll be comparing it based on if it is heavier than or lighter than. And here we have an object which is called what? A weighing balance. A weighing balance is used to compare weight of objects. For instance, here we are making use of weighing balance. Here, look at this here. We have an object right here, and we have an object here. This object here is lighter while this one is heavier. That's why it is not straight anymore. That's why it is bending, because this object here is heavier and this is lighter. You can see that this object here was heavier than this object. So you can say this object is lighter than this object. But we want to treat some other examples. We have a question here. It says which is heavier? And we have an object here. We have a table and we have a bottle. So which is heavier? I'm very sure you'd have held a bottle before and you'd have seen a table before. Which one is heavier? Very good. A table is heavier than a bottle. Most times you can't even carry a table by yourself. You would have to call your friend. But a bottle, you can always carry it in your hand. So which is heavier? A table is heavier than a bottle. Let's take one more example. This example also says which is heavier. Here we have a school bag and we have what? A matchbox. So which is heavier? Is it the school bag or the matchbox? Very good. The what? The school bag is heavier than the matchbox. The school bag is heavier than the matchbox. Let's treat some other examples here. This particular example says which is lighter compared to the one we did before. Now I was asking for which is heavier, but this is asking us for which object is lighter. Is it the book or the pencil? Is a book lighter than a pencil, or the pencil is lighter than the book? Very good. The what? Pencil is lighter than the book. The pencil is what? Lighter than the book. The pencil is even way smaller than what? Than the book. So a pencil is what? Lighter than a book. Here also, the question says which is lighter, and I want you to answer this. Is it the hanger or the chair? Good. The hanger is what? Is lighter than the chair. The hanger is lighter than the chair. I want you to also solve these ones for me. The question here says which is heavier and which is lighter. For the question on which is heavier, it's asking if the keyboard is what? Heavier than the television. Or is it the television that is heavier than the keyboard? What is the correct answer? And here also, which is lighter? Is it the feather or the bucket? In our lesson today, I showed you a weighing balance, and I said a weighing balance is used to compare weight of objects. Please make sure to answer the question I gave you. Thanks for watching.